Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking you guys through how I diffuse my curly hair. So let's actually start out with explaining what a diffuser is. A diffuser is essentially an attachment piece that you put onto your hairdryer, and it helps you to dry your hair more effectively, especially if you have curly hair. The attachment piece is usually in a kind of circle shape, and it usually has prongs in it that look like, I would say, fingertips. It allows you to cup your curls and dry them with less frizz and keeping them stationary in one place to be able to dry a lot more defined and less frizzy than what you would have if you just used the blow dryer by itself. You would essentially be blowing your curls all around and they would be going everywhere in different directions and just essentially making your hair frizzy. So what I'm showing you is usually how I diffuse my hair and the kind of heat settings I do. So I'll attach it to the head of my hairdryer, and then what I'll do is I'll turn my hairdryer on a cool setting. So usually it's a setting 1 with a cool shot, and I'll start working my way around my head, slowly cupping my curls into the diffuser piece. Usually when I'm diffusing my hair, depending on whether it's like summer or whether it's winter, I sometimes will let my hair air dry for a little bit and then I will diffuse my hair. On this day, I was essentially just trying to show you guys how I diffuse my hair. So I diffuse my hair from soaking wet, but sometimes it's good to diffuse your hair from being semi-dry, maybe like 50% dry, and then you diffuse the rest of your hair and it makes like a world of a difference. I love diffusing my hair, especially in winter when I don't want to go outside with really wet hair. In the summer, I usually air dry. So as you can see, I'm just kind of working my hair around my head, and I'm kind of taking some of the pieces of my curls apart at the front so that my curls aren't as clumped together, because when they are clumped together it gives me more of a defined look, and I kind of like my hair to be big and curly and just all over the place. So next I'm going to stand up, and this is how, if you wanted to get your hair just dry and really nice and relaxed, doing your head the right way up is the best way to do it. But right now I'm going to just flip my head over because I want to have more volume, bigger hair, and flipping your head over is the best way to go about doing that. This is how you essentially diffuse your hair to get bigger curls, to get volume. All I'm essentially doing is cupping my hair into the diffuser in the same way that I would the right way standing up, but just with my head flipped over, and this just allows me to get loads more volume in my hair, and it makes my hair look so much bigger and just how I like it. So that's me flipping the right side up again, and I'm pretty happy with how it's come out. So this is me showing you in the next clip just what my hair shape looks like after I'm usually finished. This is the only time within the drying process that I'll actually take the diffuser off just to stretch my hair out. So essentially I'll hold the bottom of my curls, and what I will do is pull them taut while I blow dry them. And what that does is essentially it stretches out the curl just to give me a better shape in my hair. So if you can see up there is a bit more shorter than the bottom layers. So what I'll do is I'll just pull it taut slightly and I'll just blow dry it so it just looks a little bit longer and it's shaped a little bit nicer. So my roots are usually at the front of my hair. I usually take the longest to dry just because I put like a lot of gel in my roots. So I use my blow dryer just to blow dry my hair at the roots. So the end of my routine usually ends with me just flipping my hair around a little bit more just to separate my curls that little tiny bit more, and just fluff my hair out to get the best result that I like. Not a bad hair lay, I would say. And yeah, that's pretty much how I diffuse my hair, but for the most part that is my diffusing routine. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.